Premium replacement filter cartridge. Keeps aquarium water crystal clear and your fish healthy. Pre-assembled. Ready to use. No assembly required, no mess. Dense polyfiber outer shell. Dual-sided polyfiber floss removes fish waste and other debris. Removes impurities. Activated carbon eliminates organic pollutants that can degrade water quality and cloud water. Hands stay dry. Easy to install, easy to replace, no need to get hands wet. Optimum filtration. For optimal filter performance, replace cartridge monthly or sooner if heavily soiled and reduced filer flow. Koller products. Hawkeye aquariums. Replacement cartridge fits Koller products and Hawkeye power filters for the following aquariums: AquaTunes 2.5 gallon aquarium with sleep sound machine, B00HH7 UVYO, AquaTunes 3.5 gallon aquarium with sleep sound machine, B00HH7 UW1Q, AquaView 3 gallon, B01M4LNYWS, 4.5 gallon aquarium, B01JS39E60, 5 gallon aquarium, B00KIRR8BY, 6 gallon 360 aquarium, B007R5C6CG, 6.5 gallon aquarium, B0182CAHWS, 7 gallon aquarium, B01JS2NNJA, Smart Tank 5 gallon aquarium, Smart Tank 6.5 gallon aquarium, B086D9B85Q, and Smart Tank 7 gallon aquarium, B0865LG56Z. Top reviews from the United States. Does what it's supposed to. Filter cartridge for a very small filter, think nanotank. It fits the small Koller filter that came with my 6.7 gallon tank. Tetra also makes a small cartridge that fits the same type of filter, but looks completely different. I think I like this one slightly better, as both sides are the same. Thus, when one side gets gunked up, you can actually get a little more out of the cartridge by flipping it.